Hi, my name is Mary Abraham, a proud member of Pennsylvania Indian American Nurses Organization and the current Vice President of NINA. Along with Suja, I will be hosting tonight's events. Let's make it together with love and excellence, short and sweet, and make it a memorable one.
Good evening and welcome to NINA's Awards, Scholarship and Installation Ceremony 2020. My name is Suja Thomas, the current NINA Communications Chair and the Secretary-elect for the term 2021-2022. I am hosting this event tonight along with Mary Abraham. As a consequence of the pandemic, we are unable to conduct our normal in-person biennial conference. However, we are grateful for this opportunity to open this event to the international level. Thank you everyone for joining us tonight. We are very excited to have you all. The World Health Organization has declared 2020 the International Year of the Nurse and the Midwife. This presents a unique opportunity to recognize and showcase the work and the contributions of the nurses and midwife to the patients and to the healthcare system more broadly. This year marks the 200th birth anniversary of the founder of our profession, Florence Nightingale. It is our year to be loud and proud about the amazing and selfless work we do each day. While pandemics may come and go, the work of the nurses is ever enduring. Now I request all of you to please rise for the national anthems.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight and the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद and God bless America.
ശുഭം കുരുത്വം കല്യാണം ആരോഗ്യം ധനസമ്പദ ശുഭം കുരുത്വം കല്യാണം ആരോഗ്യം ധനസമ്പദ